In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, click on this arrow at the top left corner to go back to standard keyboard. Finally, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here to paste it. If you wanna paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you wanna delete it, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use delete option in the same pop-up. To turn it off completely though, tap on the same switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!